Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today I thought of a really fun video, and that is what my closet would look like if I listened to the internet. I want to ingrain this into everyone's brain. You can't listen to everyone's opinion, especially on the internet. The internet is literally the #1 place people share opinions. It's amazing for that, to just hear everybody's opinion, but when it comes to listening to everyone's opinion, that's where I draw the line, and I really don't. I fell into the trap of it before, looking for validation in likes and follows on my outfits. I was dressing in a lot crazier of a way than I do now because it performed well on different platforms. We're gonna go through each piece of clothing, and if I've seen it broadly talked about as like a trend or a piece of clothing that people kind of unanimously hate, or it seems like people unanimously hate on the internet, mostly TikTok, I'm going to throw it away. And we're just gonna look at the difference of my closet before and after, and how different my clothing and my style would be if I listened to everyone's opinion on the internet. I don't know why I chose to start with this side of my closet. Before we get into this, I am not organized or anything like that. Okay, this is the first piece I'm pulling out. I love this top. I thrifted it. It is originally from White House Black Market, and it is one of those swirly psychedelic prints, and it's a button-up sheer. I've seen a lot of people say they're done with the psychedelic prints. I don't mean to be that girl, but I swear on my life that I coined the term psychedelic print because I was on eBay and I was trying to find stuff like this. I found this at Salvation Army. But it used to just be, what were we calling it? Swirly? I forget now because everybody calls it psychedelic, but I swear, even if I didn't start it, I started it for me. Another one that people seem to be over is the sweater vest. I thrifted this. I wore it literally 2 days ago, but that would be out of my closet. I've seen a lot of people say jean jackets are chuggy. I got this one off, well, my dad got this for me off Facebook Marketplace. It's Carhartt. That'd be out of my closet. I haven't seen anything wrong with blazers, so this would get to stay. And ironically, the thrifted pieces are all thrown out, but my nasty gal piece gets to stay. Also, if you're looking at this is just t-shirts and like sweatshirts, hoodies. I've never seen anyone say anything bad about those things. Unfortunately, those all get to stay. We love to dress like slobs, apparently. You can never look not trendy, not fashionable, not cool in a baggy t-shirt or a baggy hoodie. Another sweater vest that I put in through the armhole because you guys, oh, and inside out, it looks the same. I thrifted this sweater vest, I think 2 years ago now, and it's just a really nice cream color that I would have to throw away. Can you tell this is satire? Again, I think the leather blazer, I've never seen anybody say anything bad about it. I'm surprised I haven't seen people say they don't like green anymore because it was so trendy that I'm pretty sure that's coming next. Is people are gonna be like, it's not cool to wear green anymore. But I love this. I got this off eBay. Wait, no, I don't think I've seen anything bad about terry cloth. I got this literally yesterday. So cute. 2 things that these both fall under. People said they are sick of collared shirts. This one's from Everlane. I absolutely love it. She would be gone. And this is not only a collared shirt, but it's a matching set. And I saw people say matching sets that are too matchy, and those have literally exact matching pants. I have 2 leather jackets, but they are blazer and bomber, and I've never seen people say anything bad about those ones. People are saying that the Moto jacket is out. The Moto leather jacket is never out. It's just not peak trendiness. We're already on the other side. This is the more intense side. Okay, sometimes it pays to wear pieces that just nobody likes from the beginning. I really like fringe. I liked fringe the first time I saw it. My dad actually got this for me. It's a Marlboro suede fringe jacket. He got it off Facebook Marketplace. It was brand new, still in the packaging. And I know that if everybody was wearing these, people would be sick of them. But like, that's the beauty of not playing into every trend, is you don't really get sick of it because nobody else has it. It's just, you have to make sure you like it enough. I don't wear this very often just because it's a little bit tight, but it's too cool to ever get rid of. This one's funny. I got this like 4 years ago when I got my NASCAR jacket, and then I found this at like a curated thrift store, and it's a NASCAR crew neck, and I thought it was so cool, but everybody seems to be done with the NASCAR whatever. That's the issue with hopping on a trend when it's like at peak trendiness, is you end up getting the one everybody has. I've never seen anyone with this NASCAR crew neck. I barely saw anyone with the NASCAR jackets I have, and I still have them. They're just in my basement because they're so cool and vintage, and like you will never be able to find them again. It's not getting it off of AliExpress. The shacket, people seem to hate now, and honestly, I don't really like shackets either, but this one feels different to me. It is still most definitely a shacket, but I love the green color. It's from Beginning Boutique actually, and I wear it all the time. I really like this, but it would be gone. Got a cardigan, crew neck. We've got another fringe, crew neck hoodie, this Teddy jacket. Everybody hates on these. This one is like a longer, more trench style Teddy jacket. I really like it. It's from Princess Polly. It's massive. It feels like you're just wearing a blanket, but it would go. And then also with that, I've seen a lot of people hating on cheetah print, saying it's out of style. I don't think a cheetah print jacket is ever out of style. To me, cheetah print jacket is timeless. Other cheetah print? No, cheetah print is timeless to me, but it would be gone. We've got another sweater vest. This one's a little bit more fitted. How freaking cute is this? I got this from Salvation Army, but she would be gone. I love sweater vests. I don't know when I'll stop wearing them, quite honestly, because I really like them. Overalls, I haven't seen anyone say anything bad about overalls yet, and mine aren't going anywhere. They're staying right here. I have 2 pairs. The fur trim. I have literally seen, I think 2 girls with like over 500,000 views on both of them on their TikTok videos saying the fur trim is not cute anymore. This goes with any trend. If you hop on the fast fashion version that everyone has, and I can't express this enough, then with those patchwork jeans that everybody got. In theory, they're cute, but if you get something that's so cheaply made, it's gonna look like SHIT, and it's gonna make you hate the trend. My mom got this jacket 40 years ago. 30 years ago, sorry Lisa, 30 years ago, and she wore the crap out of it, and then she gave it to me, and I wear the crap out of it. When you get a high quality vintage piece of a trend, it's not a trend, it's timeless. I don't know, this kind of falls into one of the trends. This is a new jacket from Who Up Wear, and I love it. I mean, she's literally so pretty, but it technically is the patchwork trend. I'm kind of reaching here, but for the sake of this video and it being satire, we're gonna say it has to go. Another sweater vest. How cute is this one? I got it from Salvation Army again. Literally all my sweater vests are like under $2. This one has little buttons. It's cute. She'd have to go. Ah, another matchy collared shirt set. Surprisingly, I haven't seen anybody say bad things about camo yet, and specifically this kind of camo. I get to say surprisingly, and you know what it is? This is primarily big in like men's fashion, and I think that's why it doesn't get crapped on. I don't think anyone said anything bad about these yet. And literally I say yet because on the internet, somebody's gonna say something bad about everything at one point, so it's just a matter of time. Here is another super cute psychedelic print. This was like the first thing I got from eBay when I like figured out using the word psychedelic. I love this print and this top specifically. Then I saw a bunch of brands, like fast fashion brands, copying this print almost identically. I just know mine's good because it's vintage and nobody else has it. I know that sounds really pretentious and stuck up, but honestly that's how my brain works. And if that means I'm gonna keep a piece past its trend date, I'm gonna keep doing it. It's sustainability. Oh, cool. So we're done with the closet. Now we get to move on to my shoes. These are my boots, and then my tennis shoes are over there. I have a lot of clothes, so it's hard to store them all in my bedroom. First one are these amazing knee-high patchwork boots. I've seen a lot of people shart on patchwork. I shouldn't say that word so freely. I've seen a lot of people say they don't like patchwork, and when you say such a broad term like that, I really think they mean those ugly pants that we all hate. But if I'm taking strangers' advice, patchwork is done. So these boots would be done. Idiotic. Cowboy boots are my pride and joy. I wear them 100% of the time. I tend to wear them over a pair of like knee-high boots like that, especially this black pair. I wear them out at night. I wear them in the summertime, 24/7 to the beach, walking, whatever. I love, love, love my cowboy boots, but I've seen so many people saying they're sick of them. Oh my god. Okay, we're down to 2 pairs of boots. So this pair I thrifted right before the pandemic, March 2020. They were the last things I thrifted before the pandemic, and I absolutely love them. I got them for like $10, I think. And now the knee-high boots are super in, and the square toe. We are on trend with these, according to the internet. Now these boots, I don't think these count as patchwork. They're square toe. I wouldn't count this as a patchwork boot. I mean, they're just 2 different colors, and I've never seen anything bad about anything in this. I think they're super on trend, so we're gonna keep them. Okay, next I keep my other shoes and tennis shoes under here because again, I have no space. So the first pair, ironically, are a pair of Uggs, which are trendy again. These get to stay. Then we've got puffer shoes. I haven't seen, again, anything bad about these just because they haven't hit that mainstream yet. So I think they get to stay. These are my favorite tennis shoes of all time. This is my 2nd pair of them. People said Jordans are out. Jordans are chuggy. They would have to go. Over my dead body would I give these shoes away. This is gonna cause some controversy. These are the New Balance 550 ALD collabs. These are cool as poo. People are saying that these are the new Air Force Ones. No, they're not, but they have to go. I saw somebody say that they were dumb, so I listened to the internet, and if somebody tells me it's dumb, it's dumb. Okay, we're gonna move on to my drawers. A lot of people hate the vests, the suit vests, and I've got a lot of those that I wouldn't wear, that I would give away. That one, this black one, this tan one, this plaid one. I love them so much. They're so easy to thrift too. A lot of people say no more corsets or bustiers. This is a little vintage one I got 3 or 4 years ago. She is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole life, but I would have to give it away. Over my dead body, I'd give it away. But you know, like ugly stuff like this tank top would get to stay. It's anytime you want to make a statement. The absolute hatred for bloomers, I love it. It really, really matters how you style it. I love these under a really short dress or short skirt that like I'm not comfortable wearing, where if my butt shows, it's like, oh my god, she knew that was gonna happen, she's got bloomers on. Or you wear it with like a really baggy t-shirt or a really baggy sweater where like if you lift your arms, your butt will show, but it's cute. But I don't really like it as pants, but they would have to go. I haven't seen anybody say they hate fringe. I like fringe. Got another corset. Keep, I think. Keep. Another bustier. This one's thrifted. Another corset looking top. This one's from IMGA. Got it for my 21st birthday to be like a crazy girl, and I love it. I'm so happy about that. Feathers. I haven't seen anybody hating on it yet. It's too new. Basic tank tops get to stay. Basic, basic, basic. All these get to stay. Cool. On to the next side. Also, my summer clothes have been put away in my basement. That's why you're not seeing any. We've got little velvet pants. They get to stay. I haven't seen anybody say bad things about the Dickies yet, so they get to stay. Again, camo pants get to stay. Oh, but these are all low-waisted, and people hate low-waisted. Okay, so these Izod pants are low-waisted. Goodbye. These camo pants are low-waisted. Goodbye. These Dickies are actually high-waisted for me. This is part of that matching set earlier. Silk pants. You guys know they're my absolute favorite. Psychedelic print. These are one of my favorite pants I've ever gotten on eBay. How cool are these? I wear them way too often, but they would go. Then we've got a pair of high-waisted. Okay, this drawer really emptied out quick. I would cry if I actually gave those things away. or had to. I'm wearing a pair of low-waisted jeans right now too. These are actually high-waisted. These are high-waisted trousers people seem to like still. Trousers. This is part of a matching set. Leather pants. I haven't seen anybody say bad things about them yet. Look at how cute these track pants are. I got them at Goodwill bins. What are these? More leather pants and a textured pair of pants. That one was pretty good. Okay, and finally we are on to my bags. Okay, first off, we've got this glint bag that I actually got this summer. Yeah, it took a while to come in. I felt like I ordered it so long ago. But people have been saying that structured bags are out, and now it's all about this slouchy hobo, so this would go. I hate the slouchy hobo. These two scarves would get to stay. They're super trendy right now. Tie-dye! Oh my god, I didn't think I had anything left that was tie-dye. But, this is a little tote that I tie-dyed myself, and I think it's really cute, and I've kept it around, but it would go. Y'all already know, everybody hates trucker hats now. I still love them. These are from eBay, but they would go. I think metallic is in. We've got another really structured bag. How cute is this one? It's from Harley Davidson. Again, it's one of my prized possessions. Another trucker hat that I got from, I was literally like 7 years old when I got this at a state fair. More chunky scarves that would get to stay. I'm just trying to like move it. We've got a cheetah print hat that would go. These are just beanies, and then these fur hats are really in right now, which like how is this any different than this? But it is. I love those fur hats. Shoulder bags, I think are people still like. Another shoulder bag. This bag would get to stay. Look how cute this little Jacquemus bag is. I don't think anything's wrong with it. It would get to stay. A fanny pack. I don't think people like them anymore, but I've been seeing people like roast them to shreds, and that's what I'm really talking about, is when people like, I see a video dedicated to people hating a certain trend. Then we have my favorite purse ever. This one's from Nicolina Clothing. She hand crochets these with her mom. I love her, and she actually renamed this bag the Lainey bag, which is just so freaking cute and sweet, and I love it. There's nothing ever wrong with this bag. Checkered print. No. I would never, ever, for the sake of this video. Like, what's the difference? There is a difference. These are plaid, and that was checkered. My checkered print room. I would have to redo everything. Good thing I don't listen to people. And then we've got this little Vivienne Westwood bag I got for my birthday. I bought myself for my birthday. She's plaid, she's cute, she gets to stay. And then this is the weird part, because everyone's like, structured bags are no more. We're all about the like hobo slouchy. But everyone still likes Telfar, which is like exactly what I mean. You guys don't hate the trend, you just like, you want to seem different. But Telfar would get to stay, and I'd be happy about that. Okay, we went through all my clothes. Let's see what I would get rid of if I listened to the internet. Look at this! This is like someone's entire wardrobe. This is huge. I have a lot of clothes, so it's like not massive for me, but it's massive. Could you imagine if I actually listened to the internet? Don't look at my toes. I hope this video just further proves that you should listen to what you like, what you want to do. It is fun to hear people's opinions. I love hearing people's opinions about fashion, because when somebody says to me, or they're not saying it to you either, they're just saying it on the internet. Stop taking things so personal. When somebody says on the internet, I just made that mistake though. When someone says on the internet, I hate cowboy boots now, like if I see a pair of cowboy boots, I will throw up. I am so confident in my choice of loving cowboy boots. And I know I look so cute in I know I look so cute and good and confident and myself in cowboy boots that I can wear them and not care about that person's opinion. It almost like further solidifies that I like my clothes so much, because if somebody tells me they hate them, I kind of love it. I'm like, Ernie's telling me to stop talking. You like your new bed? Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you in a few days. Bye.